My name is Joseph Kosuth, and I've been busy for the last 45 years working with the production of meaning in art, essentially. And I once was asked, and I said, they asked, what do you work with? And I said, I work with the relations between relations. And which meant, as a young artist, I realized in art school that we don't work with forms and colors. We work with meaning. And that how you make a work is far less important than why you make the work. So this was the beginning premise of my activity. They invited me to do what I wanted here and to tell them where I wanted to work, and I chose the 12th century medieval walls of the Louvre, of the original palace, which is a place where you walk. It's 30, let's see, I guess about 20-some meter high walls, and my work goes throughout a space which is about 650 meters long, and it curves through these stone 12th century walls into the dungeon area, and it goes throughout the area. The one main walk area of everybody who comes to the Louvre is through there. So I wanted to deal with the idea of the Louvre, and so I took a space which was one that was independent of specific exhibition rooms. So you feel the history of the culture over your head pressing down on you as you go through and you see my work, read and reflect on what I've said as a work throughout these walls. Yes, at this point, yes. Although I began in 1965 was really when I began my first works, the works that are in Museum of Modern Art and Guggenheim in New York and here at Centre Pompidou. This was the beginning of my activity. The Tate, you can find them as well. This was simply about asking the questions that I felt that moment in history had to be asked in the culture that I inherited.